Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more content. As a fan of Monk, I'll never forget the decision to replace. Sharona with Natalie was nothing short of brilliant. It stung to see Sharona leave in season 3, but the show handled her exit masterfully. The show's producers might have been worried about bringing in a new character to play the trusty assistant, but they wisely chose not to recast Sharona, given Biddy Schran's fantastic portrayal of the character. Sharona's absence was noticeably felt in Mr. Monk's Last Case, a Monk movie, which speaks to her significant impact on the show. While the main cast didn't change much with the introduction of Natalie and Dr. Hector Elizondo's new character, only 2 notable changes occurred. The character of Sharona returned for an episode in season 8, but Natalie took over as Monk's trusted assistant from season 3 onwards. It's refreshing to see Monk try to avoid another Sharona. Natalie brought a fresh dynamic to the show with her bond with Monk, distinctly different from his relationship with Sharona. Instead of trying to recreate Sharona, Natalie found her own unique place in the show, making it easy for audiences to forget the comparisons. The producer's decision to bring Natalie on board proved to be a game changer, and it allowed the show to avoid what could have been a huge problem. Many shows have struggled and even been canceled after trying to replace or recast a beloved character, and Monk's decision to forge its own path and create a new dynamic paid off. While Sharona's departure was a loss, her return and the introduction of Natalie in her place were cleverly managed. It allowed the show to continue thriving for another 5 years, which is no small feat. With Natalie, the show could have easily continued for more seasons. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time,